Hello, I'm CG. This is a quick video to show how to make perspective test in Photoshop. After starting Photoshop, we can go to File folder. I have an image. I drag and drop this image into Photoshop to open the image. Next, we can add text. We can go to the left toolbar. We can find horizontal type tool. Select it, and I click to add text. For example, I type perspective. And then we can move it to here, and I want to double click to make selection for the text. I want to enlarge it, so I change it to 150 font. Next, I make selection to the layer, and then we can make perspective text. We can go to edit and transform, and we can find that perspective and distort are gray. So if you want to use it, we can select the text layer and use right click, and we can find convert to smart objects. Click it, and then go back to edit and transform. We can find perspective and distort now. Now I use perspective. We can click and drag to make a perspective, and we can make it in this side, and we can use the distort to adjust the position, something like this. And if we're happy with this, we can press enter. So this is how we can make perspective test in Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe to this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video.